When it comes to managing money, most of us rely on traditional banks and financial institutions to guide us. But what if there was a better way? A way that empowers you to take control of your financial future, protect your family's wealth, and grow your savings without relying on the whims of the stock market. This is where infinite banking comes in. A powerful financial strategy that allows you to borrow against your own life insurance policy, creating your own personal banking system. It's an approach that can provide long-term benefits, but only if done right. Today, we're diving into the 4 common mistakes people make when it comes to infinite banking and how you can avoid them. So, if you're ready to explore how you can start using infinite banking to secure your financial future, especially for women who want financial empowerment, keep watching. Mistake number 1. Not understanding the full potential of infinite banking. Many people jump into infinite banking with a narrow view, thinking it's just a life insurance policy or a simple way to save money. But the truth is, infinite banking is more than that. It's a strategy that can help you build wealth, avoid debt, and take back control of your financial life. So, what's the mistake? It's failing to understand the full potential of infinite banking. People often don't realize that with the right policy, you can grow your money in a tax-advantaged way, use it as a source of emergency funds, and even leverage it to fund large expenses like education, real estate, or retirement. Women, in particular, can benefit greatly from this strategy, especially if they're looking to achieve financial independence and protect their family's future. But without a clear understanding of how this strategy works and the long-term benefits, it's easy to make the mistake of underestimating its power. How to avoid it? Before jumping in, take the time to learn all the ins and outs of infinite banking. Speak with a financial expert who understands this strategy inside out. By fully understanding how infinite banking can work for you, you'll be able to unlock its true potential and create a financial system that works for you, not the other way around. Mini CTA. If you're curious about how infinite banking can work specifically for your financial situation, I encourage you to click the link below and start with our infinite banking strategy review. This simple tool will help you determine whether this strategy aligns with your financial goals. Infinite Banking Strategy Review, link below. Mistake number 2. Using the wrong type of life insurance policy. One of the most critical aspects of infinite banking is the type of life insurance policy you use. The wrong policy can lead to underperforming cash value and may even defeat the purpose of the strategy altogether. The mistake here is opting for the wrong type of life insurance. Many people think they can use a basic whole life or term policy for infinite banking. But to truly leverage the benefits of this strategy, you need a specially designed whole life policy that's optimized for cash value growth. Why does this matter? A traditional whole life policy may have high premiums and limited growth, while an optimized policy can grow your cash value at a faster rate with more flexibility. And when you're using your policy for banking purposes, you need that growth to be substantial and sustainable. How to avoid it? Before committing to a policy, work with a professional who can design your life insurance policy specifically for infinite banking. It needs to be built with long-term growth in mind and should prioritize cash value accumulation rather than just death benefits. This ensures your policy works as a true banking system for you and your future. Mistake number 3, not giving it enough time to grow. Another common mistake is not being patient enough with infinite banking. Many people expect to see instant results, but this strategy takes time to build momentum. It's easy to get frustrated when you don't see rapid growth within the first few years. The truth is, infinite banking is a long-term strategy. You're not just making a one-time investment. You're creating a financial system that over time will grow, evolve, and provide increasing returns. For women looking to secure their financial future, it's especially important to understand that this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Infinite banking is about stability and financial freedom over the long term. How to avoid it. Be patient and allow your policy to build. It may take several years before the cash value grows significantly, but the benefits of this strategy only increase over time. By sticking with it, you'll eventually see the compounding growth of your cash value, and that's when infinite banking becomes a truly powerful tool. Remember, the goal isn't short-term gains, it's long-term financial independence and wealth building. Stay the course, and the results will speak for themselves. Start with the Infinite Banking Strategy Review, link below. Mistake number 4. Not taking full advantage of the loan feature. The last mistake we're discussing today is one that many people overlook: not using the loan feature of infinite banking to its full potential. When you set up your infinite banking system, you're able to take loans against your policy's cash value. These loans can be used for anything from paying off debt to funding a new business, purchasing real estate, or even using the funds for your children's education. However, many people fail to take advantage of this unique feature. They either don't understand how to borrow from their policy properly, or they avoid borrowing because they don't understand how the loans work. How to avoid it. It's important to understand that taking a loan from your policy isn't like taking a traditional loan from a bank. The loans are tax-free and flexible. You pay them back on your own terms, and if you don't repay them, the balance is simply deducted from your death benefit. By strategically using these loans, you can tap into your cash value without sacrificing long-term growth, making infinite banking a more effective financial tool. Learn how to use this feature responsibly to maximize your wealth-building potential. Ending heading. Conclusion: infinite banking is a powerful strategy if done right. So, there you have it, the 4 most common mistakes people make with infinite banking and how you can avoid them. By fully understanding how this strategy works, choosing the right policy, being patient, and taking full advantage of the loan feature, you'll set yourself up for long-term financial success. If this message made you think differently about money, banks, or protecting your family's future, the next step is not a sales call. Infinite banking is a long-term strategy, not a product, and it's not right for everyone. To help determine whether this approach fits your goals, cash flow, and expectations, we've created a short infinite banking strategy review. Start with the strategy review linked below. If it appears to be a potential fit, you'll be invited to schedule a brief educational conversation. No pressure, no obligation, just clarity. Thank you for watching, and remember, your financial future is in your hands. Start with the strategy review linked below.